What's up, y'all people? I'm back with another awesome Mafia City video, and today we are going to talk about the best family to start playing Mafia City. This is the question I am getting a lot of times in my comment section. A lot of people are asking, I start playing Mafia City, what will be the best family to choose and start playing this game? So here I'm going to talk about this as you all requested this. So it's going to be fun, but before we move any further, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on bell icon notification for more awesome, fun, informative Mafia City videos. Now guys, quickly let's get to this. From my point of view, there is no perfect family to start playing Mafia City. There are a lot of family that you can choose from. It's going to be confusing for a lot of people, but I'm going to make this simple, guys. You can start playing with any family that you like. If you want to increase bulker attack, you can start with a family that is going to give you bulker attack like Yakuza. If you want to increase biker attack, you can start with a family that is going to increase your biker attack. So there is no perfect family to start playing with. It's all depend on your need, what you really want to increase at the moment. And I think that sticking to one family for a long time is not a good idea. You need to keep switching family. With this, you are going to get a lot of investment unlock, and then you can increase your stats even further. This is what I am doing. I recently switched from the Salzer to Yakuza. As you can see, Yakuza is my current family. Just couple of days ago, I was on Salzer because I unlocked the wave of Salzer and Vigilante. I think I needed to shift on another family to unlock another wave, so I switched to Yakuza. So that's what I am going to recommend you to all doing. There is no perfect family. It's all depend on your need, what you really want to increase in that moment. And what I am going to recommend is that you need to switch family and get the wave and get that Vigilante and then move to another wave. This is the only thing I'm going to recommend. There's nothing complicated about this, so I'm going to keep it short and simple. So that was the answer of your question, guys. So what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be back with another awesome, fun, informative Mafia City video. Until then, take care, stay safe, and